Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In this tutorial video, I will show you the way on how you can actually sell on Facebook Marketplace. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace, I actually have a very good record in it because I have sold multiple products. If you want to similarly sell it from your own personal profile, you don't need a business page or anything as such. You just can open the Facebook application and go to the marketplace section by tapping on this little marketplace icon over here. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of all the products. Now, before I show you how to sell, if I go ahead and show you my own products and my listings over here, you can see that I have listed a couple of products over here and I've actually sold multiple of these. So if you want to actually sell yourself as well, just come back and tap on the sell icon on the top left corner. Once you tap on the sell button, you can see items, vehicles or properties or anything as such, whatever you want to sell. Depending upon your own wish, just tap on the items button. If you're selling a vehicle, you can just go to vehicle. Now, very first step is to simply choose some photos for your product. So I'll just go ahead and then choose some of the photos over here that I want to add, and I will tap on the next button. Let's save. And what I will do is I will simply add a title. So just like that, I would recommend you to add a title, and then you can also simply choose a price for it. And then you can also choose a category. So as you can see, multiple categories available. You can also select conditions such as they're used or new, brand new, or whether you're using in the second place market. You can put a description, you can put in some tags, and you can put some SKU which is only visible to you, and you can actually list this as a single item or as a stock item. So if you have multiple stocks available, you can go ahead and simply choose list as in stock, or you can just choose list a single item if you're selling a single product. If you want to offer delivery, that's also perfectly fine. You can offer delivery, and you can see meetup preferences such as you can select public meetup or door pickup, or you can select door drop off, anything that you wish. And if you want, you can also hide your listings from your friends, because obviously sometimes you do not want your friends to see that you're selling something. In that case, you can see hide from friends. You can simply select the option called hide from friends, and Facebook will not list your products to your friends. And once you've basically done all these particular steps over here, so let me just go ahead and fill in all the steps. You just need to tap on the next button over here, and as you tap on the next button, you'll see where you want to post it. Now, I would recommend you, if you have a particular product that you want to sell, I would recommend you to join groups that are related to that product or categories. For example, when I used to sell electronics, I joined all sorts of electronic groups over here, and I just go ahead and list them in one of these groups. So you can see, you can list them on one of these groups, or you can also select the join button. And once your product is ready, you'll just tap on the publish button over here. So that way you'll be able to sell it. And if somebody messages you or gives you a message about the product, you'll actually receive it on your messenger. So if I go ahead and then open up the messenger application, and as you can see, I have actually received multiple number of messages based on the listings that I have chose. As you can see, if I come back to show you, you can see not just one, but you can see multiple ones over here as well, and you can also see other ones similarly. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then sell on Facebook Marketplace. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.